I do wonder whether in the last 24 to 48 hours, we've taken it to another place, which is, I actually think, maybe not being entirely proper in terms of how it's being reported. It is this element of criticism around, for example, this flat of Lord Ali, which basically the Starmers have used during the election campaign. Keir Starmer gave that explanation about it, saying that there were journalists around his house and so on, and it was a good place for his son who's preparing for his GCSEs. I think there is a way around this is reported, because what we do is we say, this is a £20,000 donation to Keir Starmer. But in fact, it's not £20,000, right? All it is, because of the way that it's been reported, is you have to put a numerical value on what they think has basically been donated. So you basically say, we think that if this were available privately, then this would be roughly worth £20,000. But the problem is that when it's written up in headlines in that way, it kind of implies that money has changed hands, or there's been a literal numerical donation. And there hasn't been.